Hello everyone, and in today's video I'm going to show you use brainstorming in Qwen AI. At first you have to be on the home screen of your mobile phone. Open your Google app application. You have to type in Qwen AI on your search bar and it will get you to this platform. On the home page of your Qwen AI you can see the option of brainstorming. Tap on it. Here you can choose from different brainstorming models like creative ideas, business and marketing, problem solving, and many more. Pick the mode that best suits your needs. Now type in a topic or a key related to what your idea needs for. For example, if you are brainstorming for a big plot post about futuristic tech, just type futuristic technology trends and tap on send button. In just a few seconds, Qwen AI will generate a list of ideas. You can scroll through them and tap on any ideas to refine or expand it further. And that's it. Brainstorming with Qwen AI on your iPhone is super simple and easy. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have questions or suggestions for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.